2013 Chevrolet Silverado, 4-door, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle. Very well maintained. It's got very clean body, stainless tube steps, good tires, hard tonneau cover. Your towing package. It's got the 4.8 liter V8 engine. $80,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, vinyl floors, automatic headlights, cruise control, four-wheel drive on the floor, CD player, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission, 6-passenger vehicle. Nice big back seat. Pretty clean bed. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy, no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.